Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect Notion to Todoist easily using a tool called Zapier. So let's get started. First, visit zapier.com and log in with your credentials. Before you begin, make sure both your Notion and Todoist account are ready and connected to Zapier. Next, when you land to Zapier dashboard, go to the top left side of your screen and you will see the create option. Click on this and choose exams. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, choose Notion as your trigger app. Click on trigger and choose Notion. Now you will see a window will appear on your right side. You have to choose an event here. So click on this and choose new database event. Now connect your Notion account and select the database you want to use. Then choose your action app as Todoist. So click on action and choose Todoist. Now you have to choose an event. Click on this and choose create a task. Now connect your Todoist account and click on the continue button. Now click on the test trigger button and make sure everything is working. If all good, click publish Xam. Now your Notion task will automatically appear in Todoist. No manual copy paste needed. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.